suburban filmmaker.
Yesterday I recorded a video on this camera, the Sony A5000, and there was a ton of wind noise. So there's these little microphones on the top, and I was doing a little research to see if there's a way to put some kind of wind protection on those, and I found some people had a DIY solution where they made their own Deadcat from some supplies they got from the local dollar store. I brought the Sony out and we're going to do a before and after test of the wind noise. Check, check, check. This is a test of the Sony A5000 microphone in wind. Okay, that was the Sony A5000 with no protection. I'm home now and I got the double-sided tape and pom-poms from Dollar Tree. So there's actually two little microphone holes. One has L and R for left and right. Okay, so what I'm going to do is take the two-sided tape and put it around the microphone holes. We're using the Sony A5000 with the new homemade Deadcats on the microphones. And I'm going to go out to that same spot and test it again. I was looking up these type of Deadcats on Amazon, and you might have to pay $15–20, where this costs $2. $1 for the little pom-poms and $1 for tape. And it took about 5–10 minutes to tape them on. Okay, we're back at the same spot now. There's definitely a little bit of wind. Let's see if this is any improved with my $2 investment. Checking. 1, 2, 3. Test. 1, 2, 3. That's it for this video, so this was a short one, I think. Let me know if this is working. Here comes a gust of wind. So, can you still hear me? Wind is blowing. Hello. Testing. 1, 2, 3. Alright, well let me know in the comments if it worked. Alright, that's it for this video. Subscribe and like and comment, and I'll see you next time.